Oh, this is another thing I forgot to talk about. Whatever trooper had this car before I got it, which I'm just now noticing, and I done had this car since September of last year, and just bought it home in February this year. That whatever trooper had the car wrote the car number on the sun visor 967 on both sides. And I just paid attention to that, yesterday, the day before yesterday, because my key even got engraved. Can you see? 967. And whatever trooper had this car last, wrote it up here also on both sides. That's what I've been forgetting to make a video on also. But if you guys found out what y'all call what your CVPI number used to be when it was in service, drop them comments below. Catch y'all in the next video. Again.